Losing your job isn't losing your leadership. It's the silence before your second act. When an executive woman is laid off, she doesn't just lose a title. She loses the story she's told herself for years. The rhythm of decision-making, mentoring, and progress suddenly stops. The silence that follows isn't laziness. It's loss. You've spent decades mentoring teams, solving problems, and holding organizations together, not just in the good times, but through challenge, growth, and change. You built loyalty and excellence that can't be captured on a spreadsheet. And now your inbox fills with recruiter messages that somehow feel smaller than what you built, job descriptions that shrink your scope, titles that miss your depth, roles that ask for less of who you've become. What you're feeling isn't failure. It's friction, the space between the world you mastered and the one that's emerging. The future of work has shifted. Technology has changed how we operate, but not what makes us human. AI can write a policy, but it can't read a room. It can automate tasks, but it can't cultivate trust. That's still our work, the human work. This new world doesn't need less of you. It needs more of your kind of leadership, the kind that makes trust measurable, empathy teachable, and collaboration repeatable. You're not behind. You're simply standing at the doorway of your second act, one where your leadership isn't confined to a job description, but expanded into something measurable, meaningful, and uniquely yours. The future of work still needs you, just in a new way. In your second act, leadership doesn't shrink, it expands. And it begins when you realize you don't need to start over. You just need to start different.